Hello everyone, this is Atin. I'm back with another video. I think most of you must be aware of the latest announcement from the Department of State on the Dropbox eligibility, which has been extended for another a year. And now US Embassy and Consulate in India is ready to implement this change as a part of this announcement. And after this announcement, there were a lot of queries raised on certain visa categories and the priorities and all that. And today, US Embassy and Consulate in India has given some clarification on this announcement, and also they have updated the changes that can be expected in coming days. Like how many slots are they planning to open as a part of this new interview waiver criteria? And what about the applicants who are eligible for Dropbox? Will they be able to expedite their request? How about the L visa category? Are they eligible for Dropbox? And what about the operation status? Are they planning to resume to regular operations? Let's get into the video for more information on this. Who are all eligible for this new interview waiver authority, or it is also popularly called as Dropbox? First, let's see L visa category. Are they eligible for Dropbox or not? So, when this announcement was made by the Department of State, they have mentioned it as L visa category, but then there was no clarity on whether blanket visa or the individual visa category or all L visa categories are eligible for this Dropbox or not. And today, US Embassy and Consulate in India has given clarification on L visa category that non-blanket L visa applicants are eligible for Dropbox. As part of the expanded interview waiver program, an applicant is eligible if he is renewing any type of visa within 48 months expiry, and it includes B1, B2 visa category as well. And another eligible criteria is if you have been previously issued any type of visa category, and if you have not been previously refused a US visa and you are applying for any non-immigrant visa categories like H1, H3, H4, non-blanket L, O, P, Q, the students visa category like F, M, J visa categories, then you are eligible for Dropbox. And when it comes to refusal, there is again a confusion on this part. And that is why Consulate have given clarity for this refusal eligibility. So, if you have previously been refused and the refusal was subsequently overcome or waived, so you can see in bracket they have mentioned it as 214B refusal is overcome whenever a visa is subsequently issued to the applicant. So, these are the eligible criteria for Dropbox. But then the adjudicating officer may request for an in-person interview if the additional information is required from the applicant. After this announcement, we can understand that the number of applicants who are eligible for Dropbox is going to be huge. And as I said in my previous video, the appointments which has been opened from Jan to May has been already booked, which means majority of the slots which has been opened in early of December has been filled already. And now and then they are opening few slots which is like the cancelled appointments and the slots which has been opened by the consulate, the applicants are able to get. So according to the new eligible criteria, what will those applicants do for the slots? So when will the appointments be available for the new set of people who are eligible as a part of this announcement? And will the consulate open new set of slots? The answer from the consulate is yes. The consulate is planning to open more than 20,000 additional appointments for spring 2022. And they're opening these slots to allow the qualified applicants to make use of the new interview waiver authority. So make use of this chance because this is absolutely happy news for people who are eligible with the latest interview waiver. Wow, more than 20,000 additional appointments are going to be opened. It is of course an happy news, but in reality, the consulate is still in a limited fashion with the reduced staffing. And this operation status is not only right now, it is the same since March 2020 due to the pandemic and other disruptions. So we can expect the demand is going to be huge and the applicants who are looking for Dropbox appointment may wait for a longer time. So this is what the current situation, and it might change. But if you are looking for slot, then continue checking. Don't lose hope because now and then the cancelled appointments also will be shown along with the appointments which has been opened by the consulate whenever the conditions allow. And this demand is for most of the non-immigrant visas in all the consulate, including US Embassy Delhi and other consulates like Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad as well. When it comes to Dropbox, there are a lot of advantages, like one person on behalf of your entire family can drop your documents and you need not go for in-person interview. And you have 11 locations for your Dropbox, meaning you have more option for dropping your documents, including 5 consulate locations and 6 Dropbox locations, and so many advantages. But one disadvantage is that the applicant who are eligible for Dropbox will not be able to expedite the request, meaning they will not be able to make an emergency request. So in that case, there were many applicants who are literally struggling to expedite their process in the past couple of months. And for this scenario, the consulate has updated today that soon the Dropbox applicants also may be eligible for expediting their process, meaning the Dropbox applicants also will be able to make an emergency request. I think this is another happy news, because this is what people were struggling in the past couple of months, as the emergency situation can be for anyone. Not only the applicants who are eligible for in-person interview will have an emergency, even the Dropbox applicants also may have an emergency. And I think consulate have considered this situation of the applicants, and that is why they have updated that soon this eligibility will be applicable for Dropbox. But they didn't mention any particular date. So we have to wait for another update on this eligible criteria for emergency request or to expedite the process for Dropbox applicants. The spring 2022 intake students are still not able to schedule an appointment even though their start date is in early Jan. Though there is an option for them to make an emergency appointment, but still they are not able to either make an emergency request or to schedule a regular appointment because the slots are not available. And for that, the consulate replied that they are planning to open more number of slots soon for spring intake of 2022. And they also requested the students to keep in touch with the university and discuss on the flexibility of the program start date. So if you are a student and still not able to schedule an appointment, keep looking for slots, because the consulate is going to open more number of slots in coming days. I know it is a bit delayed and very much anxious to get a slot, but there is no choice right now. So look for the slots. Maybe you'll be able to get one in coming days. So what next? We are waiting for 2 main updates. Number 1 is when new B1, B2 slots will be opened. Number 2 is when the questionnaire for Dropbox will be updated, because this questionnaire is what decides an applicant whether he or she is eligible for Dropbox or in-person interview. And one more point is that we need to know when this more than 20,000 appointment slots will be open, because many applicants are waiting to schedule. So these are the update we have for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and please stay tuned with Poorna Aarti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.